सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणां रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। श्रीगुरुचरणसरोज निजमनमुकुर सुधारि मरणो रघुबर विमल यशो जोदायक फलचार। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु क्लेश विकार। सियावर राम जय जय राम मेरे प्रभु राम जय जय राम। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस देहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत और देवता कीर्तन करी हनुमत से संकट कटे मिटे जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई करो देव की नाई जो सत्य पार प्राप्त करे कोई सो नहीं भक्ति महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरी तुलसीदास सदा हरि तेरा जय नाथ जय महादेव जय नाथ जय महादेव पवन तनय संकट हरना मंगल मूर्ति राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसो दया राम जय जय राम मेरे प्रभु राम जय जय राम। बोलो हनुमान जी महाराज की जय। वर्णानां मर्तसंगानां रसानां छन्दसामपि मङ्गलानां जगर्तारौ वन्दे वाणि विनायकौ भवानी शङ्करौ वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धस्वान्तस्थमीश्वरम् वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणम् यमाशितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्र सर्वप्रवन्द्यते उद्भव स्थिति संहारकारिणी क्लेशहारिणीं सर्वश्रेयस्करीं सीतां नतोऽहं रामवल्लभाम् या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। बोलो जगदम्बे मात की जय। श्री शंकर भगवान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। राधे कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय। श्री ललिता परमेश्वरी की जय। श्री हनुमान जी महाराज की जय। जय जय सीताराम। ना स्वर है न सरगम है, ना लय न तराना है। ना स्वर है न सरगम है, ना लय न तराना है। हनुमान के चरणों में एक फूल चढ़ाना है। ना स्वर है न सरगम है, ना लय न तराना है। को निकल डाला जब बाल रूप में प्रभु सूरज को निकल डाला अभिमानी सुरपति के सब भरतम सल डाला अभिमानी सुरपति के सब भरतम सल डाला बजरंग हुए तब से संसार में जाना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है ना शरण शरण है हनुमान के चरणों में हनुमान के चरणों में एक फूल चढ़ाना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है सब दुर्घटना करके लंका को जलाए तुम सब दुर्घटना करके लंका को जलाए तुम सीता की खबर लाए सीता की खबर लाए लक्ष्मण को बचाए तुम सीता की खबर लाए लक्ष्मण को बचाए तुम प्रिय भरत सहित तुमको मेरा मन माना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है हनुमान के चरणों में हनुमान के चरणों में एक फूल चढ़ाना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है जब राम नाम तुमने पाया संगीने में जब राम नाम तुमने पाया संगीने में तुम भारतीयों सीना तुम भारतीयों सीना श्री राम से सीने में विश्व के जग को देखे कभी राम दीवाना है ना शरण शरण है ना शरण तराना है ना शरण शरण है हनुमान के चरणों में हनुमान के चरणों में एक फूल चढ़ाना महाराज की जय। श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, श्री राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम। महेश निज मानस राखा, पाई सुसमय शिवासन भाखा. When the time was right, and when the time was right, when the same soul was in the form of Sati, in the form of Sati, she asked many questions, and along with many questions, there was one question what disturbed Bhagavan Shankarji completely. And what was that question? That question was, Jo Nripatanayatu Brahma Kimi. Jo Nripatanayatu Brahma Kimi. Nripatanay means Rajkumar. Because Sati ji saw Bhagavan Sri Ram ji walking in the jungle, and she thought by herself, this can maybe mostly be a prince, nothing else. उसको बंद कर दो. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम. When Sati saw Bhagavan Sri Ramji, at Prince Sri Ramji, in her eyes, Prince Sri Ramji walking in the jungle, so she asked the question, Jo nripatanay to brahma kimi, nari birahmati bhori, dekhi charit mahima sunat, brahmita buddhiyati mori. When I see what he is doing, and when I listen to the Shrutis, to the Shastras, then I get confused. Then Bhagavan Shankarji, first, it always happens that when somebody is confused, somebody is in distress, then to shake that person up, you have to say some words what will catch the attention. And Bhagavan Shankarji did the same here, as Bhagavan Sri Krishna did to Arjuna. When Arjuna was in distress, then Bhagavan Krishna says some kind hurtful words to Arjuna. Klaibyam masmagama patha naitatko papaddate chudram hratera dorbalyam tyakto tishtha parantapaha. These words, if you say that to a man, it is really shocking and painful. But then after that, Bhagavanji explained the whole Sankhya Shastra. So he had a good teaching there. But to get the good teaching, first you have to shake that person up. And the same Bhagavan Shankarji is doing the same here. He says, Ram Katha sundar kartari, sansay vihag udavanahari. The Ram Katha, what is that? When birds are sitting on a tree and you clap with your hands, all the birds will fly away. The same, Ram Katha does the same, that all the birds of doubt will all fly away when you listen to the Ram Katha. And because she had asked the question, as a matter of fact, in the form of Parvati, in the form of Sati, she had the doubt. And because she said that this Rama is somebody else than Bhagavan Rama. And that didn't please Bhagavan Shankarji. And he says, you cannot say that to my Ishta, because Bhagavan Shankarji's Ishta is Bhagavan Sri Rama. Tum kaha Ram ko ana. Ana means somebody else. So that's why now he said to Sati, in this life, your life, because Bhagavan Shankarji doesn't have a second life. Bhagavan Shankarji is Bhagavan Shankarji. Purvesham api guru kalena vakchedat. Kala, paristhiti, that doesn't do anything to Bhagavan Shankarji. Bhagavan Shankarji is Adi Devata, and he is there still. And for Bhagavanji anyway, how can it be Bhagavanji if it is affected by Desh Kal Paristhiti. It is omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent. So Bhagavan Shankarji, he was waiting, he went into meditation, and when the same soul came in the form of Parvati, then she still, because the doubt is still in the mind, but at that time, she was confident about herself that when she did the examination, when she went and took the examination of Bhagavan Sri Rama, that she knew what she was doing. And because of that, Bhagavan Shankarji says, no, we cannot have a relation this life. And she lost her life. She gave her life in the Havan Kunda. That is another katha of Daksha Prajapati. And then, next life, she came back as Mother Parvati. And as Mother Parvati, she asked this question, Ki Prabhu, now you please tell me. You please tell me, because this question is agonizing me from life to life. When you have a doubt and you don't clear it, it will follow you for whole life. And in this case, to the next life. To the next life. So Parvati says, Ki jo nripatanay to brahma kimi, nari birahmati bhori. I am totally confused now. Hey Prabhu, please explain to me. Explain to me कि देखी चरित महिमा सुनत भ्रमित बुद्धियति मोरी. When I listen to the treatises, when I listen to your katha, when I listen to Ram katha, and what I have seen, that is totally different. So now, please, don't be mad at me. Don't get mad. Please tell me the reason. For a guru, for a teacher, no matter what question a disciple asks or a child asks, parents will have to give the answer that the doubt in child's mind will be cleared. Because that is for their whole life. And the first question, as a matter of fact, Parvati asked 16 questions. 16 questions he asked here. And amongst those questions, the first question she asked is Prathama Sukaran. The first one, Prathama Sukarana Kahu Bichari. Prathama Sukarana Kahu Bichari. Nirguna Brahma Saguna Bapudhari. Saguna Bapudhari. First question was, Ki how is it possible that Nirguna Brahma, who has no form, nothing, no name, no form at all, comes to Saguna Swarupa? And maybe many people have this question. That one day I was telling you that if you want to feed Bhagavanji, you put it in Agni, because Agni is Deva Mukha. That is the mouth of Bhagavanji. But still, we see that we take prasadam, physical prasadam, Mohan Bhog, Laddu, etc., etc. We put it in front of Bhagavanji and we do Om Pranaya Swaha, Apanaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Udanaya Swaha, etc., etc. And then we assume, that Bhagavanji is eating there because there are 5 pranas in our body. And when those 5 pranas are working properly, then your health will be also proper, will be good. If one of those pranas is not good, then that is a cause of disease. So at this time, we are praying that our 5 pranas will be good, and we are offering that to Bhagavanji. I explained that to you at that time. But this question of this Nirguna Brahma, this Nirguna Brahma becomes Saguna. Is that possible? That's not possible. Goswami Tulsidas ji says, and Bhagavan Shankar ji explains here, कि अस निज हृदय पिचारितजु संशय भजु राम पद सुनु गिरिराज कुमारी भ्रमतमर विकर वचन मम. Now you listen. Remove all your doubt and you listen to me, because I am going to tell you the Ram Katha, what is just like the sun removing all the navel, the clouds. That is what the Ram Katha is. Bhagavan ji says, कि सगुन ही अगुण ही नहीं कछु भेदा. Saguna hi agun. Agun means nirgun nirakar. And saguna means whatever physical form is in front of you. So saguna hi aguna nahi kachu bheda. Who says so? Gavahi muni purana buddha veda. All muni. There is a difference between a sadhu, sant, muni, rishi. These are all different titles. Muni means mananshil, the one who is busy in their mind contemplating about Bhagavanji and the connection of Bhagavanji with the human being, how the human being can be benefited from that. So Gavahi Muni Purana Buddha Veda. Puran, Buddha means learned people, and Vedas. So Aguna Arupa. Aguna means the Nirakar. Aguna Arupa Alaga Ajajuyi Bhagat Prema Basa Saguna Suhui. Manu and Satarupa. Manu Aru Satarupa Mahatapkinha. Manu and Satarupa did great penance, tapasya. And as a result, then Bhagavanji gave them the boon. Bhagavan Shankarji is also giving us the katha why Bhagavan Sri Ramji come here on earth. What was the reason? And kalapa kalapa prati prabhu avtarahi charu charita nana vidikarahi. Kalapa kalapa prati prabhu avtarahi means every kalpa. Kalpa means Satyug, Treta, Dwapar, Kaliyug is one kalpa. So every kalpa means our history is preserved from the beginning of creation up till now. So from the last one, I'm telling the last one, before it happened also, from the last one, when you hear the Sankalpa, Brahmanonni Dutiya Parardhe. Dutiya Parardhe means the afternoon, you have the before noon and afternoon. from the afternoon parardhe. Means that is not noon but afternoon. Dutiya parardhe Shri Shvet Varaha Kalpe. The name of the kalpa was Shvet Varaha Kalpe. And then Ashtavinshit Tame Kalyuge. 28 Kalyug. This is the 28th Kalyug. Before the Satyug has happened, how many times? 28 times. 28 times Treta, 28 times Dwapara, and this is the 28th Kalyuga. Kalyuga. So, Kalap Prati Prabhu Autarahi, Charu Charit, Nana Vidikarahi. Taba Taba Katha Munisan Gai. Every Kalpa, every Treta Yuga, Bhagavan Ramji take avatar. Every Dwapar Yuga, Bhagavan Krishna take avatar. So all the avatars in every Kalpa. So he says, Aguna Arup Alag Ajjui, Bhagat Prema Bas Sagun Sohui. So in one Kalpa, it was Manu and Satrupa who did tapasya. That's why, because of the boon, they became Dasarath and Kausalya. And there are, in the Sri Ramcharitmanas, there is katha of 4 kalpa. 4 different times when Bhagavan Ramji came. And sometimes that is a confusion. In a Sanatan Dharma, I see many people are confused, and maybe it is a place of confusion because our history preserves everything. And because of we have maybe too much information. We have too much information, and that becomes a cause of confusion. Which form is there? Which form is the real form? This question should not arise at all. But because it is preserved, everything is preserved, and not everybody is able to read every treatise, every Purana, every Upanishad. It is not possible to do that. And that's why people are flabbergasted. Which one to choose? Doesn't matter which one you choose. Just choose one. एक ही साधै सब सधे. एक ही साधै सब सधे. Just choose one, and that is Bhagavan Ji for you. So jo gun rahita sagun soi kaise. Jo gun rahita sagun soi kaise. When one is without attributes. The Nirgun, Nirakar Sarupa is without attributes. And how is it possible that it becomes with the attributes? It comes here with the attributes. Somewhere logical. When you see something in front of you, there is, science says, the condition is there. If you can see something, then 2 conditions are fulfilled. It must have a limitation, because without limitation, you cannot see. It has to have a limit, right? That you can see, oh, this is a tree, and this is the bus, and this is something else. If it is unlimited, unlimited is only the sky. But sky, you cannot see. Also, it is not limited, but because it has a color to it. So 2 conditions, it must have a limitation, and the second condition is, it must have a color. If something is colorless, can you see it? And if it doesn't have any limitation, you cannot see it too. So Saguna is when it adopts a color and it adopts limitation for us to see. That limitation is not in the Atma. That limitation might be in the body, because body is physical from the Pancha Mahabhuta. Chiti, Jal, Pava, Gagan, Samira, Pancha, Rachita, Ati, Adama, Sarira. From earth, water, fire, air and ether, this Pancha Mahabhautik Sharir, body, is made of. And because the Pancha Mahabhuta has limits, that's why we are limited. So the body can be limited, but the Atma doesn't have a color. And Atma doesn't have a limitation. So can you see the Atma? It doesn't have a limitation, so you cannot see it. It doesn't have a color, so you cannot see it. But can you feel it? Yes, you do. You can feel the life within you, right? And where is it? Here? Here. You mean the heart? No, it's not here. It's not here. The heart, this heart, is only a pump. They say a water pump, this is a blood pump. Yeah, this is only a pump for the blood, nothing else. Your heart is in your head. The real heart is in the head. Have you ever heard of learning something by heart? Yes? Learning something by heart. So where do you put it? Here? For example, you have relations, okay? You learn that when you are a child, you're born, you learn that this is your mother. The mother will say, this is your father, this is your brother, this is your sister, this is all kind of relation, this is your friend. But now, with this technology nowadays, we have heart transplantations. So let's say your heart will be taken out and somebody else's heart comes in there. So that means you will forget everything. You will forget your father, you will forget your mother, you will forget your friend, you will forget your wife, your husband, everything will be forgotten. It doesn't happen, right? So that means, if that doesn't happen, that means that memory was somewhere else. That memory was somewhere else. And that somewhere else, that is in the gufa, in the guha. Where that is the same place where life enters the body. Life enters the body only from one place. That is the Dashamadwara. Dashamadwara. And there are 9 places where the Atma can leave from. 2 nose, 2 eyes, mouth, 2 ears, and the lower Indriyas. The prana can leave from there. Really, when somebody is a real sadhak, then it will again penetrate the Dashamdwara, the 10th door, and they will be liberated. And just under there, you have the pituitary gland, right under there, pituitary gland. And under, you have the pineal gland. Between the pituitary gland and the pineal gland that is called the Chidakasa. You have this Akasha, this sky, what is unlimited. And the Chidakasa is also unlimited. When you close your eyes and you go into that Akasha, that is a different world. A pure world. So, sagunahi agunahi, nahi kachu bheda. There is no difference. How? Ki ja sunam brahma timira patanga, jehi kimi kehi jive mohya bhanga. Bhagavan Shankar ji says here that the Saguna Swarupa and the Nirguna Swarupa, when it is Nirguna, then it has its presence everywhere. When it is Saguna, the physical body is limited too. That's why Bhagavan Sri Rama had to walk from Ayodhya to Kanyakumari. And it took him so long to do that. But the Nirguna Swarupa, how long will it take? Binu pad chalaya sunay bin kana, binu pad chalaya sunay binu kana. When the body is there, when the physical body is there, you are always limited. But for Bhagavanji, because Bhagavanji is also Nirgun Nirakara, everything is done in the Nirgun Swarupa. Actually, Bhagavanji is Nirgun Nirakara. But for us, here it says, Jehi imi gawahi Veda Buddha gawahi Veda Puran Soi Dasarat Sut Bhagat Hita. Soi Dasarat Sut Bhagat Hita Kosalpati Bhagavan. Means when the Bhagata, when the devotee asks Bhagavanji, and in this case, Manu Satrupa Mahatapkina, not asking, oh Bhagavanji, I want to see you now. Can you show me your face? It will not happen like that. Huh? Dasarath and Kausalya, they became after many years of tapasya. And after that, then Bhagavanji came as Prakatya. Came means it appeared, not born. How can Bhagavanji born? Not possible. But it was, and the Ramayana says also, Bhaya Prakata Kripala Dina Dayala Kausalya Hitakari. Prakat means it appeared. Bhagavanji appeared there. So here, Bhagavan Shankarji says that Agun and Sagun, how is it possible? It is the same thing? Yes, it is the same thing, he said. When you take water, you put it in a glass, and you take the same water and you put it in the freezer. So one you call ice, the other one you call water. But are they two different things? When you boil the same water, then it becomes steam. It becomes steam. It rises in the sky. So now you will call that steam. You will call this water. And you call that one ice. What is the difference? It's all water. When you have the earth, and clay pot maker, he will make a clay pot from there. Then the name will become a goblet, a clay pot, a vase, a diya, anything, you name it. But what is the difference between this one and that one? It's all the earth. When it is gold, you take a gold bar, you melt it, and you make ornaments. And all the ornaments will have different names. You have the kara, you have the tilari, you have all different names for all that. But what is all that? It's all gold. It's all gold. So Bhagavanji, whether it is Saguna Sarupa or Nirgun Sarupa, is same. Only Bhagata Prema Vasa. When the devotee requests Bhagavanji, then Bhagavanji comes in the Saguna Swarupa. Just for those bhaktas, for those munis, for those rishis, for those bhagats, for tapasvi, Bhagavanji comes here on earth. Siyavar Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Okay, my dear souls, we will not make it too late.
Requesting a song.
Sorry?
Priti is requesting a song.
Okay.
We'll sing it.
राम नाम की लूट है, लूट सके सो लूट, अंत समय पछताओगे जब प्राण जाएगा छूट। तेरे मन में राम, तन में राम, रोम रोम में राम है। राम सुमिर ले ध्यान लगा ले, राम सुमिर ले ध्यान लगा ले, छोड़ जगत के काम है। बोलो राम, 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 बोलो राम। तेरे मन में राम, तन में राम, रोम रोम में राम है। बचपन बीता खेल खेल में भरी जवानी सोया, देख बुढ़ापा सोचा अब तो क्या पाया क्या खोया, देख बुढ़ापा सोचे अब तो क्या पाया क्या खोया। दिन तो बीता दौर धूप में, दिन तो बीता दौर धूप में, अब जाए ना श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम। मेरे मन में राम तन में राम, रोम रोम में राम है। राम सुमिर ले ध्यान लगा ले, राम सुमिर ले ध्यान लगा ले, छोड़ जगत के राम। बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो राम, बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम, बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम, बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम 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 बोलो राम। बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Let's prepare for Aarti. Okay, let's make a line. ओम जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी, तुमको निश दिन ध्यावत, तुमको निश दिन ध्यावत, आय ब्रह्मा शिव। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, माँ सिंदूर विराज कटी को विगमन को, मैया की को विगमन को, उज्ज्वल से तो नैना जब बदरनी। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, कनक समान खले रत्ना पर राजे, मैया रत्ना पर राजे। राजपूत कलमाला ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, हे हरिवाहन राजन खड्ग खपर धारी, मैया खड्ग खपर धारी। सुर नर मुनि जन सेवक जिनके दुख हारी। ओम जय अम्बे कानन कुंडल शोभित, नासा के मोती, मैया नासा के मोती। कोटि चंद्र दिवाकर समराजन ज्योति। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, सोमवती सोमवती गाये, मैं सासुर खाती, मैया मैं सासुर खाती। लोचन नयना निज दिन मधुमान। ओम जय चंड मुंड संहारे, शोणित बीज हरे, मैया शोणित बीज हरे। मधुकर कथ दो मारे, सुर भयहीन करे। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, ब्रह्माणि रुद्राणि तो करो। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, तुम ही जग की माता, तुम ही हो भरता, मैया तुम ही हो भरता, भक्तन की दुख हरता, सुख संपत्ति करता। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, भुजाचार्य शोभित वर मोद्राधारी, मैया वर मोद्राधारी, मन वांछित फल पावत सेवत नर नारी। ओम जय अम्बे कंचन थार विराज भयगर कपूर पाती, मैया जगर कपूर पाती, माल के तुम्हें राजत कोटि रतन ज्योति। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, जय अम्बे गौरी, मैया जय श्यामा गौरी, तुमको निस दिन जावत, तुमको निस दिन सेवत, हरे ब्रह्मा शिवरी। ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, ओम जय अम्बे गौरी, ओम जय अम्बे गौरी। कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम, संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम, सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे, भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। देवी प्रसन्नाति हरे प्रसीद, प्रसीद मातर्जगतोऽखिलस्य, प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वं, त्वमेश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य। नीलाम्बुजशोमलकोमलाङ्गं, सीतासमारोपित वामभागं, पाणोर्महासायकचापं, नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथं। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये